Shri Sai Satcharitra in Marathi by late Govind Raghunath Dabholkar. Translation in English by late Zareen. Adhyay 23, OV 166. सूर्यासहित कर उचलिला, बोकडाचा काळ आला, परी देवची तयाचा राखणवाला, तात्काळ पावला तयाला. He lifted his hand with the big knife. The last moments of the goat appeared to have arrived, but the Lord, being its protector, it received his mercy at that moment. आता हा खास करील घाय, ऐसे पाहुनी साई माय, अंत पाहू जाता अपाय, म्हणे रेजाय राहू दे. Now he would certainly strike. Seeing this, Mother Sai, knowing that it would be a calamity, said, "Oh, let it be." हा हा काका होय परता, काय रे तुझी ही निष्ठुरता, ब्राह्मण होऊनी हिंसा करिता, विचार चित्ता नाही का. O Kaka, stop this. How cruel you are. Though you are a Brahmin, you are ready to kill. Have you no thought about this? ऐसे परिसता टाकिला सुरा, आश्चर्य वाटले लहान थोरा, जीवदान लाधला बकरा, गुरुभक्ती शिखरा चढविली. Hearing this, he threw aside the big knife. The young and the old were surprised. The goat's life was spared. Devotion to the Guru had scaled the peak. मग काका सुरा टाकोन, काय वदती त्या अवधान, बाबा आपुले अमृतवचन, धर्मशासन ते आम्हा. Then Kaka, after throwing away the large knife, said what? Pay attention. Baba, your nectar-like words are the only dharma and laws in our life. आम्ही नेणू दुजा धर्म, आम्हा नाही लाज शरम, गुरुवचन पालन हेच वर्म, हाची आगम आम्हा ते. We have no other dharma, we have no shame. Obeying the Guru's order is our only creed. It is our Veda and Shastra. गुरुवाज्ञा परिपालन हेची शिष्याचे शिष्यपण, हेची आम्हा निजभूषण, अवज्ञा दूषण सर्वार्थी. To completely obey the Guru's order, that is the meaning of discipleship for a disciple. That is our jewel. Disobedience is the greatest sin. हो सुखी अथवा कष्टी, परिणामावर नाही दृष्टी, घडेल असेल जैसे अदृष्टी, परमेष्ठीला काळजी. We never consider the consequences of these actions, whether they give pleasure or pain. Whatever is our fate will happen. God alone takes care. आम्हा तो एकची ठावे, आपुले नाम नित्य आठवावे, स्वरूप नयनी साठवावे, आज्ञाकित व्हावे अहर्निशी. We know only one thing. We should remember your name always, see nothing but your form with our eyes, and follow your every command day and night. हिंसा अहिंसा आम्ही नेणू, आम्हासी तारक सद्गुरु चरणू, आज्ञा किमर्थ हे मनी नाणू, प्रतिपालनू कर्तव्य. Virtues or sin of killing or non-killing are meaningless to us. Our salvation is at the Sadguru's feet. Why should we think of the reason behind the order? It is our duty to obey. गुरुवाज्ञा जेथ स्पष्ट, युक्तायुक्त वा इष्टानिष्ट, हे विचारी तो शिष्य नष्ट, सेवा भ्रष्ट मी समजे. Where the Guru's command is clear, the disciple who considers whether it is correct or not correct, proper or improper, he is degraded. I would consider him as having failed in the seva, service altogether.